Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast here at the MGM Tower at Borgata. I got an upgraded stay on a comp MyVegas night, Delta stays credits, staying for 3 nights. Walking into the bathroom, very spacious, sink and the amenities are here. Hand soap, lotion, hair dryer, a lot of extra towels in shower with the glass door opening, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and the nozzles. It's a sophisticated shower head with different modes. You can see zooming in. Door closes pretty easy. Towel hanging here and a bath mat. Into the bathroom, you get some wall art. You can see more of the room and a bit of a 360 view. See the full view of this king bed room. Nightstand on the side with outlets and a switch for power. Little dresser here for some extra things. 4 pillows on the bed. Table, perhaps for a laptop, or of shelf space on this side. Some extra mirrors. You see the coffee maker and the amenities are included. Condiment kit and the coffee pouches. Extra cups. On the bottom, mini fridge is included. Have some dressers opening for extra storage space. 3 of them in total. Closet over here, passed by a safe. Some more storage solutions. Ironing board and 8 hangers total. Into the main room, you can see another nightstand also with its own outlets. HVAC on the wall. Temperature adjustable, extra lighting. The classic side chair and a little bit of a table here, perhaps for food. And it's very bright. And towards the back, you can see windmills. You can see the water sources and cars driving in and out of Atlantic City. This is the surface lot, parking lot, and the rideshare area. Outside, a little bit of reflection. So can't see a great view out of that side, but you get the main view. And once again, a view of the room, but this time from a different side. So really nice, really spacious here at Borgata, the MGM Tower. Once again, a comp night with MyVegas rewards, the MyVegas games. I was upgraded with my MGM Platinum status. I earned from credit card spend and BetMGM Play. And you get this nice room, a later checkout as well. I mentioned the Delta stays credits will give me 2 extra nights. So nice of them, nice room, nice benefits, always rewarding with MGM Rewards. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.